I'm glad I got 2 phones. We're going to eat this salad. One way or another. Mm-hmm. Mm. Look, I'm tossing my salad. So I told you all I had something big for you all. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Then cream, and black olives, and cucumbers. Mm. Carrots. Mm. Tomatoes, chopped up very fine. And the Thousand Island dressing. So delicious. Robert said, "How you want to eat all that salad?" Watch me. Don't watch me. His finger looking good. Mm. That's my daughter over there. She's making that noise, not me. She's only 6 years old. She got gas. Oh man. So good. If it ain't good. If it ain't good. Your eyes, if your eyes are not watering, you ain't got a good salad. Mm. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Mm. This is taking healthy to the big next level. There ain't, I don't think y'all ever seen salad like TPM's salad. Mmm. It's too much at once. Mmm. Mm-hmm. No. Mm-mm. I can't move. A salad will go everywhere. So my pop. That's Jacob. He had to make himself known. Yeah, he did. He said, I'm here. Let everybody know I'm here. Mmm. This salad, it tastes a lot better than it ever did before. I don't know what it is. The salad's better than I ever had it. Now there's that stuff. Oh yeah. Toss that salad. Now toss the salad. Look at that, Robert. Toss that salad. Excuse me.
Very good.
It's the pop that makes you do that. I knew it usually burp on camera, but I can hold that stuff in. Mmm. Mmm. Because you know why I can't hold it in? Because I'm enjoying this good salad. I don't care. I know there's one guy on YouTube. He burps, farts, and everything on his live. He's funny. He plays the guitar. His name is Bergs. I like him. Yeah, I like him. He's pretty cool. It's called The Berg Show. It's pretty awesome. Of course, I only got 4 subscribers on here. If I keep this up, I'll have some more. Probably. I don't know. I'm just enjoying eating. I don't care about the subscribers right now. I'm enjoying this good salad. That's good salad. Mmm. Man, this salad's better than... Mmm. Man. It taste buds on that salad. Over here, I don't really care about how much subscribers I have. Over there at the Trail Park Mom, I don't I don't keep up tabs of it. I just do my videos, enjoy it. Just like I'm doing over here. Mmm. Oh, sis. This salad is thebomb.com. It really is. Jenny Bowen, you gotta have some of this salad. Mm-mm. Sis, it's good. Mmm. 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 I love a salad now. I just love it. Mm. There's one way eating a salad. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Man, my taste buds are hitting all at once. Oh my goodness. Mm. Robert don't think I can eat all this. Let's prove him wrong. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's so good. Mm-hmm.
Why, how do you get a ball?
Hmm?
How do you get a ball?
Huh?
How do you get a ball? Well,
Where I get the bow? On Amazon.
how do you get a boots?
On Amazon. It went with the bow. Yeah. It went with the bow, honey.
Oh, this is delicious. His mama.
This is so good. I bit my lip. That hurt. Mm. Oh, be careful, honey. You open it? Okay, honey. There you go, sweetie. Okay. I had a burp again. Mm-hmm. This salad is amazing. I want you to look at the spoon on this thing. It's a big spoon. And here's a spork. There's the spork.
Don't make my laugh. Don't make my laugh.
It's a big spoon. I don't really think you're supposed to eat with it, but you're supposed to toss your salad with it. But it tastes better with the spoon. Mm. Mm-hmm. I don't know how long my phone will last. Mm-hmm. Give me a minute. Mm. Mm. She said, "Mommy, you're funny with that big old spoon." What a big spoon. Mm. I'm starting to slow down. I don't like to be wrong. Robert might be right. This is a big salad. I mean, I ate a lot. Mm-hmm. I did. I can hear sis now. Gosh, that's a big bowl. And a big spoon. That's a big salad. I can hear her now. Mmm. It tastes so much better with that salad spoon. Mm-hmm. It does. Okay. I'm waving the white flag. This is what this is what it made. That's how far I got. I'm clocking out, Robert. Robert?
Yeah.
Look. I'm clocking out.
Clocking it.
That's how much I had a wonderful time with this. It's a beautiful set of bow. Beautiful. I love it. I'm going to try to link the set on my other channel, Trailer Park Mom. And I'm just going to have to edit that video. And I will see you all next time. Oh, the taste buds on this. It was so good that I bit my lip. If you ain't checked out Trailer Park Mom, you will find all the ingredients that I put in this salad. Oh, it's so good. God bless. Remember, guys, L is for love. Love yourself. Love yourself first. Yeah, you gotta do that before you can love others. Remember, we follow God, not people. And have you a big old salad like TP Gomez. So, a good old salad. Have you a big old giant bite. Yeah, big giant bite. There we go. Woo! Love y'all. Thank you all for the love and support. It's very appreciated. Y'all have a great day and God bless you all. And I am full. Yes. Bye.